Yeah. Hello. Hello. So the candidate has to come, and if he comes, I can admit him, then we can have discussion. This candidate is attending for law grade B, grade 2, law grade 2. Yeah, that's what he is appearing. And yeah, oh, he has done LLM also. Good. Hello. I have admitted the candidate and he has to come now and we will have discussion. Hello, आप sound on कर दीजिए.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. How are you?
Sir, I am well and fine.
Very fine. Acha, acha, good, good. You are,
And
yeah.
sir,
Are you
about
ready?
you?
Yeah, fine, fine,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. पहले आपका बारे में बताओ जी. आपका say what you are going to tell the Reserve Bank. Now only I know that you are appearing for RBI grade B. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
ये तो हमने सुना है IBPS RRB सुन लिया. आपने RBI बोला, हमने रीजनल रूरल बैंक सुन लिया गलती से. कोई बात नहीं. Now please tell me, how will you introduce yourself effectively to the RBI board?
Hmm.
आप
Good
हिंदी,
morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग, आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं, कोई तकलीफ नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज अलाउड इन हिंदी
Yes.
ऑल्सो. या
Yes. Sir, my name is Naresh Meena. I
या
belong to Dosa district, Rajasthan. My father name is Giriraj Prasad Meena. He is working in education department. And sir, I have done my BLL 5 year from the Rajasthan University, Jaipur in the year 2017. Thereafter, I have done my LLM in corporate law from the Hidayatullah National Law University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And sir, I have registered as an advocate with the Bar Council of Rajasthan since the year 2017.
good. It seems you have written some net exam also. What is that?
Sir, the NET examination is there after the my PG. I appear for the UGC NET and I qualified for this exam in the year 2019.
Oh, after that only you went for LLM.
Yes.
Acha, acha. Good. LLM में what are the subjects you studied?
Uh, in Sir LLM, the 1 year course in which I studied the contract law,
Hmm,
specific relief act,
hmm,
jurisprudence, constitution, and sir company law, insolvency, bankruptcy code,
hmm,
uh, Reserve Bank of India Act, or sir
hmm,
banking regulation act.
hmm. Excellent. बहुत कुछ पढ़ लिया आपने. That which will be of use for you in Reserve Bank of India. Correct?
Yes, sir.
आपको क्या, supposing I ask you to tell some of the sections of the acts, important sections, 3 or 4 important sections of different acts, to start with law of contracts. Contracts में क्या क्या acts आपका मन में important लगता है?
Okay, sir. Sir, in contact, the first of all, the sir first section, which is tell about the contract act,
Hmm,
and sir second section, which is interpret the various definition,
hmm,
sir like agreement, proposal, reciprocal promise,
hmm,
and sir consideration,
hmm,
and sir
hmm,
thereafter the sir section sir 11,
hmm,
competency of parties of the contract.
hmm,
And sir, section 13, and thereafter sir 14, 15, 16 and 17 to 18
Mhm.
section are important.
Mhm.
And sir section 56, the doctrine of frustration
Mhm.
is very important. And
Mm.
section sir last quasi contract section 68 to section 72, and sir thereafter the 73 and 74 which is penalty and sir process of the damages. This is
Mhm.
important. And sir in the second part of contract the sir first section sir section 125
Mm.
indemnity, and sir section 126 जो सर
Mm.
गारंटी के बारे में लिखना
Mm.
है. एंड सर
But
सेक्शन 148 है बेलमेंट, एंड सर देयर आफ्टर 172 प्लेज, और
mm.
सर 183 एजेंसी, और सर वन वन मोर सेक्शन सर 191 सर बैंकर्स लियन और जनरल लियन.
Mm.
And sir, this section is more important, sir, because the banker liens is very familiar in the banking sector.
Mm. Good, good, good. But then you are going to work in Reserve Bank of India, जहां
Yes, sir.
आपको बैंकर्स लियन का ज्यादा यूज नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपको तो कस्टमर से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ट्रांसैक्शन नहीं है.
Okay, sir.
Reserve Bank of India deals only with the banks, you know. So उधर में आने से भी in case some difficult accounts like that Punjab Maharashtra Cooperative Bank like that, जहां पर some dues हो गया तो आपको bankers lien apply कर सकते हैं. Correct. I agree with you.
Yes.
Now, can you tell me what are the 5 elements of a legally binding contract?
Sir, five element of the legal contract is, sir, first of all, the parties must be competent, and sir, the consideration some value in the eyes of law, or sir, an agreement which is valid, and sir,
Hmm.
sir, consent which is obtained by the party which is free,
Hmm.
and sir, uh, proposal and sir acceptance must
Hmm.
be reasonable.
Correct. इसके different words use करते हैं. Offer, पहले वाला offer, acceptance,
Yes, sir.
consideration, mutuality of obligation, competency and capacity. But आपने competence पहले बता दिया, उसमें कोई तकलीफ नहीं. But then offer, acceptance, consideration बोलना है. समझ गया? And also
Okay, sir.
mutuality of, वो क्या बात है? Mutuality of obligation का मतलब क्या है? Hello?
Sir, mutuality of obligation मतलब sir some obligation impose on the parties.
Mutuality का मतलब, mutuality of obligation का मतलब, the mutuation, what is mutuality obligation in business law? Closely related to the concept of consideration is the mutuality of obligation doctrine. Under this doctrine, both parties must be bound to perform their obligations, or the law will treat the agreement as if neither party is bound to perform. Can you explain this? What is this?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
No. यहाँ पर हमने पढ़ रहे हैं, both parties must be bound to perform their obligations of the law.
Sir, I said this, sir, because the mutuality of obligation is a impose some obligation or some impose some duty on the parties to perform the contract.
That must be implied in the contract. In the absence of that, law will treat the agreement as if neither party is bound to perform. समझ गया? As if neither party is bound to perform.
Yes.
It must be specifically mentioned. You have to take up this case and अच्छा, आप लोग वकालत सही करता है ना पार्टी से for your appearing in
Yes,
the
sir.
court?
Yes, sir.
Is there any other agreement that you are entering into with your customer? No, I don't think so. Are you?
Sir, agreement of the confidentiality होता है. Agreement of the confidentiality done between the client and the sir legal advisor and sir advocate, sir, which is covered under the section 120, 126
No,
and
no.
of the Indian Evidence.
I was asking about court cases where
Sir,
you are
sir, there is no sir, there is no such type of agreement in between the client and advocate.
Yes. The very fact that
Only
he
sir
is,
mutual understanding.
yeah, the very fact he is signing wakalat means that he is entrusting the case to you, and the rate, etc. You discuss it orally only, na? Correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Good. Super. Now, can you tell me what? So we have discussed one act, Contract Act. Can you?
Yes,
Would
sir.
you like to tell some more points regarding Contract Act?
Sir, Contract Act. Sir,
See,
Section 56 and frustration, doctrine of frustration in which sir the is a way of discharge of contract. Is a one of the way of discharge of contract in which the sir the contract at the time of the making of contract is valid, but after the some alteration in the law and policy, due to this the contract is void or sir unenforceable. मतलब it cannot be become enforceable by the party. And sir, the some rules and sir some rules changes and sir some event which is not happen. And sir the sir contract which depend on them and sir the event not happen. So, sir, this contract cannot be performed by the parties. And, sir, one of the more important contract is contingent contract. Section 31. Sir, contingent contract when is sir when a contract is depend on the happening or non-happening of a non-happening of a collateral event. Which is a collateral event of the contract with the contract. Sir, this type of is contingent contract.
Yeah, 1 minute.
And sir,
I am giving you the section. I am giving you a link. उसको देख लीजिए. You know उसमें क्या बोलता है? See the important acts. Important section का बारे में बोलने के समय पर many other sections are giving, they are telling about 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, everything they have given. Then 68 to 75. Then 62 is effect of novation, rescission and alteration of contract. That one you said 31 is contingent contracts. Then 129 is continuing guarantee. Then 139 is discharge of surety by creditor. Then bailment 148 to 53, 172 pledge, 173 pawnee's right of retainer, 182 agent and principal, 197 ratification may be express or implied. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
So I have given a link for you there. Okay, वो देख लीजिए. अच्छा, then which act is more important in your view for working in RBI?
Mm, So the back act is important in RBI. Sir,
Which, uh,
Reserve Bank of India Act, or sir Banking Regulation Act, or sir uh, Companies Act, and sir I wish.
oh, you consider RBI Act, Banking Regulation
Uh,
Act, then
and
Companies
sir,
Act as important, correct?
or sir Insolvency Bankruptcy Code 2016, and sir Negotiable Instrument Act 1881.
इसका अलावा सरफेसी एक्ट also,
SARFAESI and sir DRT.
DRT also. Good.
Sir, PMLA and sir Anti-Money Laundering Act, or sir Fugitive Offender Acts. These are the important.
Can you tell me what is the
And sir,
authority, monetary authority given to RBI under RBI Act?
sir, monetary policy.
Monetary authority. Abhi now
Yes, sir.
RBI is
Section,
the monetary authority. What are the powers given?
sir, the monetary policy section in the section 45 Z A to ZH deal with the monetary policy. And sir, in this section, in the monetary policy, sir, the RBI on the recommendation of the central government target inflation target for the 5 years, which is determined by the RBI. And sir,
good.
And sir, the RBI the inflation target when the RBI determine the inflation target, which is taking the mind of the growth of the nation during the determination of monetary policy.
What is the current inflation target pegged? You may not know. It is
Right.
4. It is 4% with minus
Okay,
2
sir.
or plus 2.
Okay, sir. Sir, CRR और इनके बारे में
CRR is 4%. SLR is 18%. Then repo rate is 4%. Reverse repo rate is 3.35. Bank rate is 4.25. MSF rate is 4.25. ये सब तो आपको पूछेगा नहीं है ज़्यादा. They will not ask you all these things. They will not ask, but they will ask you what is the work you are doing in court. इसका बारे में explain कर दो. But हमने आपको बायोडाटा देखा था जिसमें क्या आपका मंथली सैलरी खाली 10,000 का है. क्यों?
Sir, because I am practicing under my senior advocate, and my boss is given only 10,000 per month.
Oh, he is giving only that much.
Yes, sir.
Very less, Baba. Because you are going to get 1 lakh salary as grade B officer. And will they not think whether this 10,000 fellow should be given 1 lakh? सोचेगा नहीं सोचेगा? बोलो ना.
Sir, but sir, I have experience of the more than 2 years. Salary is not matter, sir.
अच्छा,
but I
salary.
have working experience.
Very good. Tell me about your working experience and in relation to banking वगैरह. Yeah.
Sir, particularly, sir, I deal with the more, sir, the negotiable instrument matters, and the sir simple, sir, in sorry, criminal matters like bail, and sir, the date for taken date from the courts, and sir, absence application. This type of matter I which deal in the court. Sir, particularly the banking matter, which is not deal by me during these 2 years. Because sir, the 2019 I have done I am practicing there after the sir COVID pandemic situation in India, and sir, physically court are closed, and
That
sir
is true.
some
That is true.
difficulties.
That is true. I understand that. That is not a problem. Now, आपका experience क्या है? With what have you worked?
Sir, I am worked with the negotiable instruments are one or two cases, and sir the in criminal procedure code. Sir, I am not dealing with a particularly DRT matter or sir the civil procedure code. Sir,
अच्छा.
I am only practicing in the criminal matters.
Mhm. Criminal matters means, can you tell one case without mentioning the name of the party? What is the details of the case?
Sir, the details of the case is sir the one my client is a he's sitting in her house, and the sir police came and the sir brought in take him take him in police station because the sir complaint of the lodged by the my client's wives in the section for 9088 cruelty and harassment. And sir no and sir police not register the name of the my client in the first information report, and sir the Rojnamcha. The particularly my client name is not mentioned in the Rojnamcha, and sir my client is detained in the police custody for 2 days. And sir the client's parents client's parents contact with me, and thereafter the sir so the some CCTV surveillance was installed in the colony, and sir the I put I take the evidence from the I take the video from there, and sir I will present these videos in court. Thereafter sir my client is uh, released.
Very good. That was for harassment.
Yes sir, harassment.
That is husband and wife.
Yes sir.
Oh, very good. Now, how are they? Are they living together or living separately?
No sir, they are living together.
They are living together. Good, good. So this is the criminal case you have handled. Correct. Now you said you studied
But
under.
sir,
Yeah.
Sir, I am not dealing with the banking sector cases, but I have knowledge about the SARFAESI Act and the Insolvency Bankruptcy Code, and sir, DRT, DRAT. I read these subject in my LLM, and sir, particularly for the preparation for RBI Grade B mains exam.
So can you tell me some of the important concepts under SARFAESI Act and DRT Act? बताइए.
Sir, in SARFAESI Act, the important concept is sir, hypothecation is a most important case in nowadays, sir, because in hypothecation, sir, the possession and the ownership with the owner of the property, and sir this type of charge is sir the particularly sir unsecured debt होते हैं. And sir section 13 of the SARFAESI Act, which is dealing with the sir call notice, section 13 clause 2 recall notice, in which the sir 60 days notice given to the borrower to repay the amount. If the sir the borrower not repay the amount, thereafter the section 13 clause 4 symbolic possession notice, which is given to the borrower, and sir thereafter the possession which is taken from the borrower by the recovery officer. And sir section 14 is sir when the problem faced by the recovery officer, that time he take the assistance of DM and magistrate. And
Good.
sir section 15 is sir announcement of the taking possession.
Good. Then
and sir section 17 sir is may when a person is aggrieved by the action of the recovery officer or banking act, then they may be file appeal with the DRT. And sir the person is person is aggrieved by the DRT order, thereafter they may be appealed in a DRT within 60 days.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, within 30 days from the order of DRT.
Hmm. Good.
And sir, in the appeal, both the parties can be go. Bank also go, and sir, the parties borrower can also go.
Hmm. But why you have not dealt properly about taking possession, bringing the property for sale?
Sorry, sir, I don't understand this question.
No.
Tell me again.
The most important activity is taking possession of the property,
Yes, sir.
and after taking possession of the property, issue of notice for
Yes.
auction, and then
Yes, sir.
conducting auction, then realizing out of that. So that is what is the important activity of the say SURFACE Act. What are the advantages of SURFACE Act over other acts?
Sir, because the surface is, sir, first of all, the important advantage is the, sir, the bankers' money is recover from the borrower in speedy manner. And sir, the
How,
sir,
how do you say speedy? What makes you think it is speedy?
sir, speedy manners means, sir, before the surface act, the sir, the lender or sir, the banks spend more than 4 years from borrow the money from the borrower, and sir, they face the problem in to recover the money. Sir, thereafter the surface act, sir, the process of the recovery of money is in speedy manner. And sir,
Good.
particular day
Actually,
determined, sir, 180 days. 180 days. Say.
Actually, आप simply बोल सकते थे, before SURFACE Act, banker has to go to a court of law, file a suit, get a decree, then execute the decree. That takes a longer time.
Okay, sir. और sir, ये भी बोल सकते हैं, sir, the reduce the burden of the original court. Each surface is necessary.
Good. You told very nicely about SURFACE. Okay, except for that correction. Can you tell me something about DRT Act? How many DRTs are there in India?
Sir, DRT in 39 maybe, or sir, DRT 5 only.
No, DRT, I think it's only 23 or so. Check up kar lo. Number of DRTs, 1 minute. Number of DRTs in India.
Sir,
good.
also.
Super. Total number of DRTs in India is 39. Congratulations. You told correctly.
Thank you.
You told very correctly. Scripting the national record in the history of Debt Recovery Tribunal since its inception in 1993. Debt Recovery Tribunal DRT3 Kolkata has settled 245 cases involving 250 crores during last week in a single day. This will be breather for banks which are saddled with non-performing assets. The total amount involved in pending cases in 3 DRTs in Kolkata is 1.40 lakh crore. All India figure is learned to be well over 15 lakh crore. Total number of DRTs in India is 39. Super. Excellent. You win over this. I confused with another 122-23. That is, what is that? Omnibus.
Ombudsman.
Ombudsman. I confused with that. Ombudsman. Correct.
Sir, Ombudsman office is 23 in India.
Correct. Good, Baba. Very good. Now tell me something about Companies Act and what you know about that. Important points.
Sir, company check the sir important points are the doctrine of indoor management, or sir doctrine of outdoor, or sir memorandum of association, sir article of association, and sir section 195 insider trading, and sir in section in the last chapter the NCLT and NCLA.
अच्छा,
This deal with their
आपने जो पिक्चर डाला है इसमें, this appears to be very old one. जो पिक्चर आपने अपना एप्लीकेशन में डाला है, it appears very old. You look very young in that, but आप तो अभी थोड़ा old लगते हैं. सही बात
सर
है?
अभी मैं सर शेविंग नहीं करा रखी तो इसलिए भी थोड़ा लग रहा हूँ.
अच्छा,
उसमें से हाँ. और सर वो कपड़ों का भी फर्क होता ही है. और सर वो पिक्चर से 2019 की है.
oh, only 2019. Okay.
यस.
Then it is okay. Then उसमें देखने से अभी लगता है you are a very old man. उधर देखता है he is very young man. That boy is young, you are very old.
Sir, in Photoshop, sir, the one of the application in the India, sir, the filter and sir Photoshop application, and sir, the photographer can alter the original picture.
Excellent, no problem. That is all a different story. Very nice. So you are answering all these things correctly, but now you have to tell me about Companies Act, present Companies Act 2013 में important points.
Sir, important point, sir, 2013 में sir, तो changes in the one person company. And sir, section 149 independent director, which independent director sir must be necessary in the public listed company, and sir one woman director is necessary in the public listed company. And sir these are the sir important change. And sir section 135 may be social responsibility. Social sir social responsibility है doctor.
Social responsibility, corporate social responsibility.
Yes sir, CSR section
Okay.
135.
Okay. बताइए. Corporate social responsibility में how much percentage of the profit earned should be invested under CSR? 2%. 2% of the profit earned average, if the average of profit during the last 3 years is over 500 crore.
Yes sir.
समझे?
Sir, sir, CSR is my dissertation topic in my LLM.
हाँ. Oh, अच्छा.
So,
you discussed about that. Very good. Can you tell me some points about CSR? What is CSR?
yes,
Why CSR? What are the different ways in which companies undertake CSR?
Sir, presently I am not reading about this, but I am told you so far I can deliver some. Sir, the
आप prepare कर दो जी, because anyhow interview में भी आप CSR को बात लगाएंगे. जब आप अपना बात जी CSR बोलेंगे, उसका बारे में ज्यादा questions तो आएगा.
sir, I was reading about this, sir. The
You please read.
turnover and sir,
You please read and
net owned fund.
yeah, you please read and answer. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Sir,
following the latest judgments of Supreme Court?
the latest judgment of the Supreme Court is sir Rajendra Kumar Shah versus Union of India in the amendment of the Constitution section. Constitution is amendment 19th amendment, which is partially struck down by the Supreme Court. In which the amendment deal with this cooperative societies.
Hmm. Okay,
And
okay.
sir,
Hmm.
this amendment is struck down. And sir, section, sir, amendment 102 regarding the sir reservation, the determine the list of the reservation,
Hmm.
which is which is which is sir power, sir, determine the list of the reservation caste, which is power to the president of India
Hmm.
on the recommendation of the governor of state.
Hmm.
And sir, this is the sir interfere in the power of the state government.
Hmm.
And sir, in sir, state list is sir the reservation of the matter of the state list in the vacancies or the recruitment of the state government.
Hmm.
And sir, the sir section 120, sir, section is sir, amendment 122, the power given to the president of India
Hmm.
in the recruitment of the state government vacancies, cost of reservation determined by the after the recommendation of the uh, president.
Hmm. Acha,
And sir,
some
and
other
sir,
some other judgments of common interest, उसका बारे में आपको राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट में कुछ जजमेंट, रीसेंट जजमेंट आपको याद आ रहा है?
नहीं सर, वो मुझे उस पे विजिट करना पड़ेगा सर, साइड पे जाके तभी पता चलेगा सर। सर राजस्थान हाईकोर्ट का जजमेंट सर वही है, तो विशाखा वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान वाला, जो सर सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट रिगार्डिंग सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट एट वर्क प्लेस रिगार्डिंग लाइन दी गई थी सर 2013 में।
अच्छा, what is this case about Chief Commissioner of India versus M.R. Vijaya Bhaskar?
Chief Commissioner of India.
Factual bag.
Sir,
Chief Election Commissioner of India versus M.R.
Okay, sir. Chief
I think
election.
it must be some election case.
Yes, sir. But sir, I did not know about this, sir.
Doesn't matter.
Sir,
not required. Not required. Not required. Koi baat nahi. Good. Now, general questions. We have been talking for about 20 minutes. Now, general questions. Good. You are suitable for the post. Please tell me, how do you consider more suitable for this post?
Sir, I have more than 3 year experience in the field of legal in the matter dealing with courts in sir criminal matters. And sir, this may be help for the banking regulation, banking sectors matters. And sir, I have knowledge about the corporate law like Companies Act, SARFAESI Act, and sir insolvency bankruptcy court. And sir, I read this subject in my LLM. And sir, this may be help.
Good. Acha, I want you to go through Banking Regulation Act important provisions.
Okay, sir.
Not now. Which date is your interview?
Sir, 1st September.
Ori bhai, day after tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
आपको what you have to do, Banking Regulation Act का बारे में important provisions पढ़ो जी. Then RBI Act.
Sir, banking regulation important. Sir, section 46 है sir, जो deal about the penalties. Section 35 है जो inspection by the RBI on the recommendation of the central government or the maybe on his mind. And sir, section 29 है bank notes exempt from the stamp duty. Sir, section 22 है licensing of bank. Section 26 है
licensing of acts. Licensing of acts more important. उसको याद कर दीजिए. ठीक है? Licensing of banks. उसका बारे में आपको जानना चाहिए, जरूरी है. Section 10BB deals with power of the RBI to appoint chairman of the board of directors on a whole time basis. Section 11, requirement as to minimum paid up capital and reserves. Section 12, regulation of paid up capital, subscribed capital. Section 17, reserve fund. Section 18, cash reserve. Section 20, restrictions on loans and advances. 21, power of RBI to control advances by banking companies. Section 22, licensing of banking companies. 23, prohibits bank from opening new place of business. 26, each banking company to submit annual return. 29, accounts and balance sheet. 36, AA, power of RBI to remove managerial other persons from office. Section 46, penalties. Section 39, RBI to be official liquidator. 49B, change of name by a banking company. 52, power of RBI to make rules. बहुत कुछ है जी, इसका बारे में आप थोड़ा एक बार का 2 बार पढ़ के मन में रख लो, ठीक है?
Okay.
बट मोस्टली
Sir,
इतना डिटेल नहीं जाएगा. दे विल आस्क यू, फाइंड आउट हाउ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, हाउ यू आर कीन. अभी देखिए ना, अभी मेरा इंटरव्यू को अब आया, इंटरव्यू को आने के समय पर कैसे ड्रेस करके आना है बताना. यू आर अपियरिंग बिफोर मी इन टेलीविजन, इन वीडियो, ऐसा रखने से अच्छा लगता है, बताओ ना. So this shows the amount of importance. I know you are going to tell me, sir, 1st September में हम अच्छा से ड्रेस पहन के जाएंगे, correct?
sir, I will wear the coat pant and tie on 1st September.
Good. Shaving करेगा?
Yes, sir. All clean.
Not only you, yesterday also, अभी भी आएगा वो लड़का, ECGC इंटरव्यू जाने वाला, इतना बड़ा बियर्ड रखा है, समझ गया? But impression, first impression is the best
Sir,
impression. अभी
present times and
अभी
trending of the beard is
good, but interview में नहीं चलेगा.
sir, because they are searching about the more professional person for the suitable for the post,
True.
which is suitable.
आयो इधर देखो ना, अभी एक एप्लीकेशन देके एक लड़का को हमने अपॉइंटमेंट देना डिसाइड कर दिया, लेकिन
Yes, sir.
इधर वीडियो में आके देखने से तो ये लड़का दूसरा में भी लगता है. This also matters a lot. Just doesn't matter, no problem. Be confident. You are answering very well. How you are answering very
Sir,
well.
ऐसे लग रहा होगा आपको.
No, you will
सर
score.
मेरे क्या बाल भी छोटे करवा लिए मैंने.
अच्छा.
मैंने बाल भी छोटे करवा लिए. डैडी बढ़ रही है, उसमें बाल मेरे बड़े हैं. और सर थोड़ा अंतर भी होता ही है सर. उस टाइम पे ज्यादा बर्डन नहीं था, मतलब regarding the service, and sir thereafter the pandemic there's some more tension about the government job.
No, ये तो
It
जरूर
may be
मिलेगा,
reason.
ये जरूर मिलेगा आपको, provided you go with happiness, you go with confidence, and you tell some more details. You can't say I have done only 2 cases in Negotiable Instruments Act. ये बोलने से अच्छा लगता है नहीं.
And sir, I tell only 2 cases because sir they ask about more and more experience, and sir I can quote, and sir I can interval. Sir, so far I am telling only 2 cases.
इसलिए तो you go through the latest cases and relating to banks and all that, थोड़ा मन में रख के उसको बोल दीजिएगा, ठीक है?
Sir, हाँ sir, I will refer the latest judgment sir, the regarding banking law and companies act, and sir the more important judgment of Supreme Court. And sir,
Please.
he may be asked the judgment of Rajasthan High Court also.
Yeah, also. Now, are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
First of all, though, sir. No, sir.
आपका पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
Sir, my father in education department, OA, officer assistant.
अच्छा. What about your mummy?
Sir, my mom is housewife.
Why are you telling us a very not important? ऐसा मत बोलो ना.
नहीं
मम्मी.
sir, housewife is more important in nowadays.
लेकिन if you replay the record and see, आपको पता होगा expression आपने दिया है. My mother, housewife. That's what the expression was. So be careful. Your expression speak
Yes,
about
sir.
this. Whom do you like very much, mummy or daddy?
Sir, मैं सर मम्मी की ज्यादा पसंद करता हूँ.
Ah. Then why did you do like that expression? You should have told
Sir, because
my mummy is a great housewife, very
yes, sir.
successful housewife, very likely housewife. बहुत अच्छा आदमी है. Like that, you must be able to speak out. Okay. Acha, how many siblings you have?
Sir, two.
What are they
My
doing?
younger sister. My younger sister.
What is she
Sir,
doing?
sir, she is studying in sir simple graduation, third year, final year, maybe
Which one?
final year.
Which degree?
Sir, Bachelor of Arts.
Oh, BA Economics.
Yes.
BA Economics. Acha. Another sister?
No, sir, I have only one sister and sir, I am.
Only one sister.
Sir,
आपने
sir, we
बोला
are two.
आपने बोला two sisters. इसलिए तो हमने.
No, sir.
Oh, you should have told how
Yes.
many siblings you have. कुछ नहीं से. One younger sister only. She is studying. She is studying BA Economics third year. BA History third year. Something like that
Yes.
specifically बताना है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, I want to ask, sir, if they about my experience, if they ask about my experience, then sir, what can I told them?
No. आपको how many years minimum experience they have asked? 3 years.
Sir, 2 years, maybe 2 years.
2 years. But you have become a member of Bar Council from the year 2017.
7. Yes, sir. That time I am doing my LLM.
LLM up to 19.
No, sir. My LLM is completed in 2018, sir, because the is 1 year course.
So balance 3 years का certificate ले लो. आपका senior से certificate
हाँ.
ले लो.
हाँ सर, वो तो ले लिया मैंने, उनको भेज दिया सर.
भेज दिया. Very good.
Yes.
Otherwise कोई तकलीफ नहीं. And do you have any questions? But क्यों आपका बहुत less mark लेते हैं? 69, 61, 65, 48 क्या है जी? ज्यादा पढ़ते नहीं है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
ये तो this is known as stress interview.
Yes, sir,
This is
sir,
stress.
because
Stress interview.
sir,
Stress interview का मतलब जानते हैं?
no, sir. मतलब
Stress.
प्रेशराइज.
हाँ, प्रेशराइज करेगा और आपको बोलेगा अरे यू आर यूजलेस. इसका बाद में भी आप कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ के आंसर करना है. They will
Sir, because the percentage is did not matter, sir, but the knowledge of the subject is matter in my opinion. And sir, that you have more knowledge. If you got less percentage, that sir does not matter. And sir, the 61 and sir 65 in low sir.
Oh,
I think is sufficient.
65 ले लिया.
Sir, in LLM my 65 and sir LLB is sir 61.80 maybe.
61.80. Good. अच्छा ही.
Yes, sir, because 80 number is written paper.
But आपको only question आएगा क्यों 10 क्लास में इतना कम मार्क लिया? 55.
Sir, 10th class, sir, that time रीडिंग
ज्यादा पढ़ा नहीं,
उस टाइम पे, हाँ सर उस टाइम पे इतना पढ़ा नहीं, थोड़े
इम्पोर्टेंस
सर।
इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं समझा।
हाँ सर, that time the mind is not understanding the
इम्पोर्टेंस
importance of the
मतलब
percentage, and so the
अच्छा
maturity level is not enough that time.
अच्छा, माय क्वेश्चन इज दिस, आप क्यों हिंदी कम बात करते हैं? व्हाई आर यू टॉकिंग लेस ऑफ हिंदी?
Sir, when I was talking in Hindi, sir, that time I was feel that I am speaking wrong words.
अच्छा, ओहो, यू आर थिंकिंग दैट यू आर यूजिंग रॉन्ग वर्ड्स। अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है।
Yes,
बट अब रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया बोर्ड में भी तो आपको अंग्रेजी आदमी भी होगा और हिंदी आदमी भी होगा।
हाँ सर, सर I think that मैं सर से दोनों में ही दूंगा शायद इंटरव्यू,
यू
सर
कैन
मैं
आंसर इन
प्रॉपर।
बोथ, यू कैन आंसर इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम। बट
नहीं सर, नहीं मैं इंग्लिश का कम्युनिकेशन इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है। और सर हिंदी में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे वर्ड गलत जा रहे हैं, मतलब सर सेंस होता है, मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर हिंदी का सर बहुत बड़ा स्टैंडर्ड होता है सर, वो मैं अचीव नहीं कर पाता
अच्छा,
हूँ कम्युनिकेशन में।
इसलिए बिकॉज
हाँ
देखो ना, कोई दूसरा लड़की सब बात करने के समय पर ये इतना इंटरेस्ट से बात करता है अंग्रेजी हिंदी में, आपका हिंदी तो बहुत कम लगता है, करेक्ट?
सर, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ बहुत अच्छे से सर, बिकॉज द बिफोर द माई BLLB आई एम स्टडिंग इन हिंदी मीडियम ओनली एंड गवर्नमेंट स्कूल।
हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा, 1 मिनट, एक मिनट ठहरो, 1 मिनट ठहरो। नॉट दैट आप कम बात बोलते हैं, बट फिर भी इट कैन बी स्लाइटली मोर। अच्छा, देखते हैं ये कैसे आएगा। Talked earlier 2 times or once?
So I have given the view before, sir, only one time.
Only one
This is
time.
my second.
Yeah,
This is my second time.
very good. Excellent. How many? Did I give you marks then? No.
No, sir, no. You
No.
have not given me marks that time.
It doesn't matter. Good. You are from Jharkhand.
Yes, sir, I am from Jharkhand.
What is your degree, please?
Sir, I have done graduation in It was established in 1957.
Yeah. There is
Yes, sir.
reason for that. Yeah, one
सर
minute.
मैं भी बोल सकता
Yeah,
हूँ
yeah.
हिंदी।
1 minute. I think she has been talking only in English, not Hindi. I was under the impression that she was talking more of in Hindi, but she was talking in English.
सर बट
Yeah.
सर मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ, बहुत अच्छे से बोल सकता हूँ, लेकिन सर फिर वो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा कम हो जाता है, क्योंकि आज सर इन दीज डे सर आजकल इंग्लिश का थोड़ा ट्रेंड बना रखा है इंडिया में। और सर ऐसा लगता है कि जिसको
Good,
इंग्लिश
good.
आती है वो
That is good. That
और
is
ज्यादा
good.
नॉलेजेबल है।
अरे भाई, 90 out of 100 boys and girls in Rajasthan want to speak in Hindi.
सर मैंने तो बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है सर ये इतनी इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए भी।
I know. It is difficult to increase also, but you have struggled to improve it. Very good. Best wishes. You have done very well. कोई चिंता नहीं. But
सर
yeah.
मेरे से सर वो वीकनेस के बारे में पूछे तो सर मैं वीकनेस क्या बता सकता हूँ। सर मुझे तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरी वीकनेस है सर, वो मुझे थोड़ा कम्युनिकेट फ्लुएंसी ऑफ इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंसी नहीं है मेरी इतनी ज्यादा। एक तो
Fluency
सर
of
ये
English
है।
and fluency of Hindi. ये बोलने से आप
सर
बोले, ये बोलने से आप बोलेगा, अच्छा कोर्ट में किस लैंग्वेज में आप बात करते हैं?
सर कोर्ट में तो सर जो नॉर्मली सर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में आई आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग सर, देयर सर मोस्टली पीपल इन टॉकिंग विद हिंदी, इन
अच्छा.
हिंदी ओनली।
So Hindi में you will be communicating in Hindi only.
हाँ सर, बट सर आई थिंक द कैन आई चेंज द दिस दिस वीकनेस पॉइंट सर, व्हाट कैन आई टोल्ड देम
No,
सर
no.
माय वीकनेस इज दिस।
आपका मन में ये लगता है weakness in language that should not be told because that is your base, that is your strength. उसको रख के तो आप काम करने वाले हैं. If you feel you are
सर
so that will not be suitable. You can say I used to get impatient when work is not done immediately. I'm aware of that. I'm trying to overcome that, something like that. But
okay sir,
yeah,
I can tell them that sir, I am lost my control when the work is not at time.
lost my control तो negative point है.
Impatience.
हाँ, impatient तो बहुत अच्छा word है, हमने आपको दिया है.
Okay sir, sir
lost my
repeat
control, lost my control का मतलब दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, ऐसा नहीं आएगा.
sir, sir told me again sir.
No, I'm telling you. See, whenever I work in a group and other peoples do not work properly and the work is not completed, I sometimes, don't say always, I sometimes get impatient. And now I'm aware of that. I am trying to overcome that by doing meditation, by practicing seriously, not to be impatient, because everybody has got different ability. Some will do it quickly, some will do it delayedly. ये हम अभी accept कर लिया, इसलिए हमको impatience आना कम हो गया.
सर सर और सर स्ट्रॉन्ग strength.
Strength आपने क्या बोलना है? I am a quick learner. I am a quick learner.
सर
Yeah, I am
सर
a
मैं
quick.
बोल के बताऊं एक बार आप.
हाँ, बताइए
बोल के
आपका
बताऊं.
strength बोलिए.
Sir, my strength is, sir, I have more than 3 year experience in the field of law in dealing with the matters of courts. And sir, I have always hungry to learn a new thing. And sir, I am hard worker with the smart techniques. And sir, I have, sir, I have good grasping power to learn things in quick manner and imply quickly. Sir, it may be right.
No, और भी बोलना है जी. You have to say, um, uh, I am good in managing time. I know what is to be done first, what is to be done next. हम prioritize करके काम करते हैं और जो important वाला है उसको पहले करेंगे. Similarly, हम तो सबका साथ में मिलके काम कर सकते हैं. I can work along with others. I can encourage others. I can motivate others and do the good job. So I enjoy doing work. I want to do more work. कभी कुछ काम खत्म नहीं होने से I will not give it up, but I will try it up again and again and see that I achieve things. I am a creative person. I want to do things differently. I want to achieve new things, new methods. And yeah, mostly this much must be sufficient. 3 or 4, 2-3 points I have added. Usko add kar lijiye. ठीक है?
Sir,
It should not be added.
बोला तो
It
सर
should
उसमें
not
I
be.
am.
It should not be added as if I have told you. You should add it out of your own willingness. For example,
Okay sir.
good
Okay,
in time management. Good in time management.
yes sir.
Then
I
quick learner.
I am not.
But of
Okay
course,
sir.
आपने बता दिया. I am a quick grasper. कुछ बात बता दिया. ये point जरूरत नहीं. Then
हाँ sir.
I am a team leader है. Motivate करेंगे. Good team player भी.
Self-motivated person, not discouraged by the failure.
Correct. Good. Best wishes. God bless you. Attend the interview and send me the list of questions. You know the list of questions that are there asked in other exams I have given. आपने देखा नहीं देखा?
सर ऐसा तो मैंने नहीं देखा.
अरे
नहीं
भाई,
देखा सर ऐसा.
तो एक वीडियो डाला है ना आप आप मेरे से बात करने का बाद में इमीडिएटली एक वीडियो डाला, उस वीडियो का नीचे में कमेंट्स में हमने दिया है, आपने देखा नहीं?
सर ये सर करंट इश्यूज पे ये पूछ सकते हैं व्हाट इज गोइंग इन अफगानिस्तान में क्या चल रहा है, किसान आंदोलन क्यों कर रहे हैं, ये पूछ सकते हैं सर?
No, Afghanistan, the problem is um, previously, now ECGC as, sorry, confusing between
हाँ
two.
सर सर मैंने किसी का देखा है, मतलब जो ईसीजीसी का कैंडिडेट था, उसका जो आपके वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू किया था, उसने उसने बताया था कि अफगानिस्तान में क्या चल रहा है और किसानों ने आंदोलन क्यों कर रहे हैं, किसानों की तीन स्कीम कौन कौन सी हैं, ये मैंने देखा था कुछ।
That you watch it once again. And also now present problem बोलने से तो हरियाणा में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया, कुछ लत्ती चार्ज हो
हाँ
गया,
सर।
जिसका वजह से एक
हाँ
फार्मर डेथ हो गया।
ओके
That one. अफगानिस्तान में क्या हुआ, तालिबान has taken charge, उसका बाद में IS group has done some bombings, and out of which about 90 people or so have died. And once again yesterday also one more bombing has happened. And Taliban says after, and to counter that, the US government has been using drones to attack IS groups. Taliban says after August 31st, this will not be allowed. And Taliban government has been recognized by China and also by Pakistan. And now initially Russia recognized, but after discussing with our Prime Minister, he has told that he will not help Taliban with the army. Okay? And all the countries have stopped evacuation of people from Kabul. That is the present.
सर ये पूछ सकते हैं ये पूछ सकते हैं कि इंडिया की इकोनॉमी पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा अफगानिस्तान
on
से,
account
क्योंकि
of
इंडियन इन्वेस्टमेंट
on account of this Taliban's coming, India has invested huge amounts. I'm not sure about how much amount in the
सर
various
25 crore amount India invested in the Afghanistan
20,
in the sir construction of dam, construction of parliament buildings of
25,
Afghanistan.
25 lakh crore or 25 crore?
सर 25,000 करोड़ है सर।
हाँ, 1000 crore होगा, to
25,000
25,000 crore.
करोड़, yes.
So all that is now not is put into use, and our Indian government has been not able to decide about recognizing Taliban or not, because Taliban has been behaving in a very different way, like say women are not given powers to come out and all that. So things may take a shape only after a few days. अभी कुछ ज्यादा बोल सकता नहीं. Okay, good. Best
सर
wishes.
सर और क्या इम्प्रूव करूं मैं, और तो सही है।
No, it's okay. You are okay. Don't have a complex that I am not good. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. First impression is the
ओके
say
सर।
आपका मन में confidence चाहिए. With confidence you go, you will do well. समझ गया? Now you can't change anything. For example, number of years service in court, you can't change it. Number of ability to talk in English, Hindi, you can't change it in 2 days. Maximum what you can do is improve your knowledge. सही है, सही है.
सर इनके बारे में भी पढ़ूं क्या सर? ये पीएमएलए है और सर रेरा एक्ट है, सर इनके बारे में भी पढ़ूं क्या थोड़ा?
Which one?
वैसे पढ़ा तो है मैंने इनके बारे में, रियल एस्टेट रेगुलेशन एक्ट।
Oh, you can study that, but no, RBI इंटरव्यू में उतना जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं. RBI अभी अभी व्हाट इज मॉरेटोरियम वो लोग पूछ सकते हैं. what is moratorium
Okay, sir.
and how RBI imposes moratorium. What do you know about the recent moratoriums? कुछ ना कुछ पूछ सकते. अभी 2-3
सर यस बैंक
cooperative
वाला ही कुछ
अभी 2-3 cooperative banks को बंद कर लिया ना.
हाँ sir,
You go through
ये देखना पड़ेगा.
July, August current affairs. I have given
Okay,
in my Telegram group.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All
Sir,
the best.
can I?
Yeah.
Sir, if possible, then I will remit the 100 rupees again, and sir, I will join that tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
सर कल
Not
भी
today.
ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ 65.
Not today. Tomorrow.
टुडे नहीं सर, टुडे तो सर मैं पहले बिजी हूँ सर. आज तो मेरा अभी एक जगह और मौका है इसलिए.
अच्छा. You have got some other place also work. हाँ.
नहीं सर, वो इंस्टीट्यूट है ना सर, तो उसमें मेरा मौका है एक और
अच्छा.
मौका इंटरव्यू.
अच्छा. Which institute?
सर बेवाल सर है एक.
हाँ,
वो
बेवाल.
SBI में सर CG.
Beval is supposed to be a good institute. Beval classes,
in
they are
Jaipur.
very good.
Yeah.
And you take an attend an interview and give me their feedback. What are the questions they asked and all? You please send it to me through message. And I will tomorrow, as it is, I am free at 11 o'clock. आपको कितना बजे चाहिए?
सर कभी भी दे दो सर. कल तो मुझे, मैं सारे दिन फ्री रहता हूँ सर. अभी क्या हमारे यहाँ पे स्टेट में वो जुडिशियल ऑफिसर, जुडिशियल सर्विसेज की वैकेंसी भी आई हुई, तो उनकी प्रिपरेशन भी करता हूँ, तो फ्री
अच्छा,
रहता हूँ. कोर्स तो कम ही
So
जाता है.
I am putting 11 o'clock for Naresh Meena tomorrow.
यस सर. एंड सर मैं शाम को आपको पे रेमिट कर दूंगा अमाउंट देर आफ्टर.
No problem. After remitting, you tell me if you are interested, then only. Otherwise, no compulsion. Because you are going for today for Beval classes. Beval classes also, कितना बजे आने का बोला आपको?
सर मेरे वहाँ पे 2 बजे है
Good.
अभी.
Today, 2 o'clock. 2, very good. Please go and attend. Best wishes.
थैंक यू सर.
और किसी कैंडिडेट को ISMAP मार्क इंटरव्यू चाहिए तो मेरा नंबर दे दो और डिटेल्स दे दो. ठीक है?
सर आप तो YouTube पे है ना सर, YouTube से ले लेते हैं आजकल सब सर, बहुत अवेयर है.
अच्छा. Everybody learns from YouTube.
हम
I know.
यस सर.
People learn from YouTube. No problem. Best wishes. God bless you.
सर मैंने थैंक यू सर. थैंक
How did you come to know of my channel? That too very late. Why?
यू सर, बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग अप 8:30. I am in late night. I sleep in late night 3 o'clock maybe.
Oh.
3 hours, 3:30.
अच्छा.
So sir, I am getting late.
No, that is okay. Now I am asking. No. आज का late का बात नहीं बोले. हमने ये बोला, why have you come to me before the exam only? पहले आपको मेरा चैनल के बारे में नहीं जानते हैं?
सर जानता तो था, लेकिन सर मुझे कंफ्यूज हो रहा था क्योंकि सर मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है. और सर आप साउथ की साइड से, तो अब मैंने सोचा सर को ज्यादा इंग्लिश चाहिए होगी. और सर मुझे ये सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने थे, तो उनके बारे में मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था, इसलिए सर मैं फोन नहीं किया था.
Good
और सर
answer.
बेवाल सर को तो दिए हैं सर मैंने इंटरव्यू. उनको तो 3-4 दे दिए मैंने.
3-4 दे दिया. सुपर. गुड. एक्सेलेंट. उन्होंने क्या बोला?
उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है, सिचुएशन तो हो सकता है, हो जाएगा.
गुड.
हो जाएगा सर. सर क्योंकि 32 कैंडिडेट हैं, और सर 11 सीट है ऑल ओवर इंडिया.
मिल जाए. ओनली कॉन्फिडेंस एंड भगवान का कृपा चाहिए. आज तो जन्माष्टमी है और कृष्णा का ब्लेसिंग आपको चाहिए.
हाँ सर, मुझे तो सभी के चाहिए सर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो सर मतलब माय टीचर्स एंड माय पेरेंट्स, दे आर मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
जरूर. Especially parents' blessings are more important. And teachers.
Yes.
Best wishes. Thank
Sir,
you.
for me to my parents is. Thank you sir. Thank you.
Very good. Bye.